and I said we can have a debate about what you're saying, but that wasn't the question in the courtroom. I tried to get us back to the facts at hand, and the matter at hand, which was the verdict that had come in just hours before in that Florida courtroom that found George Zimmerman not guilty. It was also preceded by a discussion about whether or not Zimmerman should be considered race charges against George Zimmerman. And one of the things I pointed out just before that as well was how difficult it would be to even bring that kind of information to prove the local factor that there's no evidence of the before the jury. So it was just pretty much something that was discussed in the courtroom, and they would have.
Okay, the question for the day is, does this rabbit live or does this rabbit die? This is a 12 gauge Browning shotgun. See the barrel coming in? He got hit. What did you say? The question is, did he live or did he die?
Highland Hill Farm is located in Fountainville, PA, in Bucks County. We're situated close to Philadelphia, New York, so we service the Philadelphia, New York metropolitan area as well as the Washington, D.C. corridor. We ship from our Lenoir, North Carolina facilities, our Fountainville facilities, and our Milan, PA facilities. If you need trees or shrubs on the East Coast, we do deliver and install. So give us a call at 215-651-8329 for trees and shrubs, or if you have a question about trees and shrubs, we'd be glad to try and answer your questions. So, Highland Hill Farm is your source for information and also for trees and shrubs on the East Coast. Thank you.